I'm Jackson Benford.
I'm Reed Avers, and there are several grievances that some people have with the traditional method of ordering at a restaurant. Often, customers must wait inefficiently for the waiter, whether it be to order a meal, refill a drink, or request a check.
We've created a digital menu and order system for Android tablet to attempt to fix these problems. Our system presents a digital menu. The user may browse and order meals, check prices, and request a waiter.
So this is our app. So first of all, you have our digital menu. This menu is split up into 4 categories: entrees, apps, drinks, and desserts. Each category has several items that you can scroll through. It displays the image of your meal, a short description of it, the price, and then allows you to add it using this button. So let's add a cheeseburger and let's get a Coke. So the next step to do is you go to the table and you can see the meals you have ordered. And these, of course, say we decided that we hit the wrong buttons or we changed our mind. We can then exit out of those, find something else to eat. Maybe we'll get a chicken sandwich and a Sprite this time. And then as you see, those are added to the menu. So now we can hit order now, and that'll finalize our order, and it sends a text message to the waiter for that to be ordered. So now we would just wait for our meal. So later on in the meal, we can request the waiter for some sort of general assistance, to refill our drinks, or to get the check. And so in hitting one of those buttons, it lets you know that the waiter is coming, and then the waiter's coming can turn that off. So I'm going to ask you to perform a number of tasks using this application. The purpose of these tasks is to simulate the restaurant ordering process. All right? So first, let's get an appetizer and drinks. There's 3 people at the table, including yourself, so order chips and salsa.
Right.
Yep. And then a Coke. And then a Sprite for a friend. And then find a drink for yourself. Alright, and then you need to actually order it now.
Alright,
So they,
so
yeah. Cool.
let's see.
Alright, so we're going to do our main meal now, so find something that you would like.
Alright,
Alright, and then I would like a burrito, and then our friend would like a burger.
Just a cheeseburger?
Yeah, just a cheeseburger. Alright. So does everything look correct?
Yep.
How much does it cost?
$6.97.
Alright, so I've changed my mind. I don't want a burrito. I'd rather have a steak.
Alright. Steak. Yep.
Alright, so you can finalize that. Alright, so our drinks are getting empty, so can you get some drink refills?
Drink refill. Waiter coming.
Alright, we're just about done. We'll get some chocolate cake.
Desserts. Chocolate cake. That's it for dessert?
Yep, we just get some cake.
Alright.
Alright.
Order now.
Yep.
Yep.
Alright, and then we're ready to leave and we need the check.
Alright. So, just request check.
Yep.
Yep. That's,
Oh, okay, so we have a little bit of a debrief. So first of all, what did you like about the app?
it's a little simple, I guess. You got 12 organized. You got the food items on this one side right here, so it's easy to see. And you got the each food item is in a category. So you got entrees, apps, drinks, and desserts. Makes it easy to figure out what you're gonna get. And the table is useful. I'd say it's useful because it just helps you review what you're gonna get before you actually order it. Descriptions, that's good. Call waiter for drink refills, yeah. Check what, not sure what general does.
Right. Okay, so what things do you not like?
Well, I didn't exactly know if it was like, so like every time I clicked the button, I didn't know if it was worth or not. You know how like,
Right.
sometimes when on tablets, you'll have that like little circle that comes up on your finger, let you know that you actually hit it. That might be useful. What else? It wasn't that confusing, I guess. To figure out, yeah, I kind of got that really quick. So, what else? Can't think of anything else that would be bad.
All right. All right. And so finally, what changes would you make to it?
Just like add an indicator when you press something to know that it actually was went through, I guess.
Okay.
Don't think anything else. I wouldn't change anything else, I guess. Seems pretty good.
All right. Well, that's all I have to say. That's it.
All
Well,
right.
thank you very much.
The evaluation of our pilot study, we found out what works, which includes the digital menu is laid out very well. Users were able to browse the menu easily to find the meals they wanted. Also, users like being able to see everything they order before finalizing it and having the option to remove some of their items. Also, the call waiter tab was well organized and easy to use.
So our users found a couple things confusing. First of all, because we had no feedback on pressing the add button, some of them were confused whether or not it was pressed, and so we're pressing it multiple times, so definitely something can be done there. They also did not realize that they needed to finalize the order, so some of them were just thinking that the add button was actually sending out the order, whereas in fact you have to actually do the order tab and finalize it. And then they also didn't immediately know where to find help with the app. We had intended the call waiter general function to be used for that, but it wasn't quite immediately clear for that. So we have a couple of proposed changes to fix some of these confusing issues they had. First of all, we want a designated help tab, and so that will provide just basic information from within the app without having to ask a waiter. This is something we thought we could avoid, but we now think it might be important. And then we think also within that tab have a option to call the waiter. Just to make it more clear that it's okay to call the waiter for help. Also, we want to have a dialog pop-up box when pressing the add button to give some feedback, just to confirm that the meal was added to the order table, and also to prompt the user that they need to actually go to the order table to finalize it. And then also to bring more attention to that table tab, we want to have a badge with the number of meals that are currently on it, just to have a call to action that something needs to be done there when through the ordering process.
And for our conclusion, we concluded that the digital menu and ordering assistant can be used to enhance the ordering process, but it needs to be easy to use or customers will just prefer the traditional method. Going forward, we would like to make the changes as described earlier, add in the additional features that we were not able to implement, and perform a pilot study in an actual restaurant environment.